Are you working 60 hours a week just to hand over more of your paycheck to the IRS than you legally have to? If you're a high income earner or a business owner, the answer is probably yes. I was reading a great article from Kiplinger's recently titled 9 Ways the Wealthy Waste Thousands in Taxes, and it highlighted some massive mistakes I see clients make every single day. Today I'm going to break down the biggest offenders from that list so you can stop the bleeding. First of all, let's talk about healthcare. Kiplinger points out that too many people ignore the Health Savings Account, HSA. This is the only investment with a triple tax advantage: tax deductible for the money coming in, tax-free growth, and tax-free out for medical expenses. If you qualify and are not maxing this out, you are literally throwing money away. Also, if you're self-employed, are you taking the self-employed health insurance deduction? This comes off of your gross income, lowering your overall tax bill significantly. Please don't miss this. Now for the strategies that my business clients really love. The article highlights the Augusta rule. This allows you to rent your personal home to your own business for up to 14 days a year, tax-free. Your business gets a tax deduction and you get the rental income tax-free, a true win-win. Next is the backdoor Roth IRA. If you think you make too much money to contribute to a Roth, you're probably wrong. You're just missing the strategy to get that money growing tax-free by converting a traditional IRA. Kiplinger's lists missing this as a major waste of wealth. Here's another big one: hiring your family. If you have a legitimate business, hiring your children or other family members to do real work shifts income from your own high tax bracket to their much lower, often 0% tax bracket. It's fully legal if done right, and I'm telling you, it saves families thousands. Finally, a warning. The article points out 2 traps. 1, spending money just to get a tax deduction. Please don't buy a luxury SUV that you don't need just to write it off. You're spending $1 to save 30 cents. That's bad math. And then warning number 2, chasing risky tax shelters. Be careful with exotic investments that promise massive tax deductions. The IRS is watching these closely, and the headache is rarely worth the risk. Tax planning is not just for the ultra wealthy. It's for anyone who wants to keep what they earn. If you want to implement these strategies correctly without triggering an audit, that's important, you need a professional. Speak with your CPA or a financial planner, or you're welcome to call my firm. We serve clients here in Atlanta and Chicago and across the United States. I'm Gary Massey, a CPA. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tax tips that really do save you money.